It's easy to tell you to go fuck yourself because I'm a deep fake. So whatever you hear from this video is not coming from my mouth, it's coming from my computer. And tonight I'm going to talk about depression because it's a gold mine. That's right, it's gold and it's mine. My t-shirt will be drying during the course of this video. This is a course. This video is not a course, but it has a course of time. So I'm a very ambitious person. But I cannot compete with all those people who do proper research and they know how to communicate science and technology in an enjoyable and enriching manner. Look at all those guys. And look at me. Look at this. Look at this piece of Oh, wait a second. I may be able to contribute. I may be able to be part of a YouTuber universe. Please embrace my existence. Please give me some attention. Hello. Well, I should put more light. Wait. Yeah? Well, I don't have those soft lights. How do you call them? Box lights? Soft lights? Be footage? Be yourself. Don't be footage. Don't be a statistic. Buy a good microphone. What is this? The C920? Everybody has this camera. I do what I'm supposed to do. I'm recording, I'm posting. I should learn how to use Reddit. Be my friend, and then I will be your friend, and then we both win because I have a new friend, and you have a new friend, and two people have two new friends. 4 in total. 4 new friends are being created because you have me as a friend and you become friend of me. Or is it 3? I would like to explain my situation here. So in 1994, I guess, something happened that stigmatized. No, something happened and there would be, I don't know. Hello. Can you hear my eyelids? Now what I want you to do is go to my Patreon account and give me money, but not that much money. Now actually stop buying package. And you might say, yes, Antony, I would like to stop buying package, but all the stuff I want comes in package. So I'm not actually buying the package, I'm buying the stuff I want to buy and it comes in package. So what should I do? I should get it with the package. And I'm like, that's a very good point. Let's drink a bit of water and think about it. Okay, I thought about it. I have no solution to your problem. Maybe if you just convince yourself that thinking about not buying package is good enough. Oh, let me align the camera to the couch. Now I'm centered. So I need to figure out what is this noise on my bicycle. Please tell me, what do you want to figure out in your life currently, contemporarily? And if I actually have some resource to link you to, I would do, because at this point I have like 0 audience, so I have the luxury to be able to contact each and every person who feedbacks me. How about that? Welcome to the exclusive lonely club of 0.0000000. This video is sponsored by oh man, this is... I want to see my Powerball.